1. Apple has revealed the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. 2. They are powered by the A18 Pro chip. 3. These models feature camera control. 4. Apple promises a big improvement in battery life. 5. There's a new main camera on both. 6. The ultra-wide camera has also been updated. 7. The Pro has a 5x telephoto lens. 8. The titanium design remains. 9. Apple claims the thinnest bezels ever. 10. These phones come in 4 titanium colors. 11. Pre-orders begin on September 13th. 12. The release is on September 20th. 13. Prices start at $999 for the Pro. 14. The Pro Max starts at $1,199. 15. Apple Intelligence won't be available immediately. 16. It will arrive as a software update next month. 17. This update will first roll out in US English. 18. Writing tools will be part of the update. 19. It includes transcription and summarizing notifications. 20. Siri is getting a redesign with better understanding. 21. ChatGPT integration is coming later too. 22. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch screen. 23. The Pro Max has a 6.9-inch display. 24. These are the largest iPhone screens to date. 25. The ceramic shield is tougher than before. 26. Apple promises 20% better performance. 27. This is thanks to better heat management. 28. The A18 Pro is built on 3nm technology. 29. It includes a new 16-core neural engine. 30. The GPU is 20% faster than before. 31. The CPU is also more efficient. 32. Camera control lets you adjust zoom and exposure. 33. More features are coming later this year. 34. You'll be able to learn about objects and places. 35. The new main camera is 48 megapixels. 36. It supports 4K 120fps Dolby Vision video. 37. Apple promises zero shutter lag. 38. Both phones can take spatial photos. 39. They also feature 4 studio-quality microphones. 40. Satellite messaging works even without cellular coverage.